हेलो स्टूडेंट्स। और जैसा कि मैंने कमेंट देख रहा हूँ हमारे वीडियो के ऊपर, आप लोगों ने रिक्वेस्ट किया है कि आज लॉगरिथम का वीडियो अपलोड कीजिए। तो आज मैं कोशिश करने जा रहा हूँ कि मैं लॉगरिथम का वीडियो स्टार्ट करूँ। तो आज पहले स्टेज में हम लोग समझेंगे व्हाट इज लॉगरिथम एंड विल डू सम प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ द लॉगरिथम एंड सब्सिक्वेंटली इन द नेक्स्ट वीडियो विल गो फॉर द इनइक्वालिटी इन लॉगरिथम। सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल विल स्टार्ट लॉगरिथम। व्हाट इज लॉगरिथम? A to the power x is equal to b, where x is known as logarithm of b with base a, and this can be written as log base a and b. This is equal to x. So this thing can be written in this way: a to the power x is equal to b is similar to log base a index b, and this is equal to x. This is known as base, this is known as index, and this is the logarithm of b with base a. This is also known as exponent of base a. So this can further be written as b is equal to a to the power x. It means index is equal to base to the power exponent. Here in log base ab, first a should be greater than 0 and a should not be equal to 1. Second, b should be greater than 0. It means base of the logarithm should be greater than 0 and it should not be equal to 1, while index should be greater than 0. Then only it is true, otherwise logarithm does not exist. So whenever you have written log base ab is equal to x, this can be converted here. Simply b is equal to a to the power x. It means index is equal to base to the power exponent. Right? Now we'll do some practice over the logarithm. First of all, let me rub it. Let log root 8 b is equal to 3 to the 3 and 1 by 3. Find b. So we can write as b equals to root 8 to the power 10 by 3. So b equals to 8 to the power 1 by 2 into 10 to the power 3. So this can be written as 2 to the power 3, 1 by 2 into 10 to the power 3. 3 gets cancelled. So 2 to the power 5. So this is equal to 32. So simply you can see that it is the base, it is the index, and this is the exponent. So index is equal to base to the power exponent. So that is why we written b. Base was root 8 and exponent of 3 and 3. It means root 8 to the power 10 by 3. So you can see how the logarithm can be opened, basically to the exponents. Right? Now we'll move to the next question. Let me rub it. Find x if log base 2 log base 3x is equal to 0. Now you can see that this whole thing is going to be index. and this is the base. So index is equal to base to the power exponent. So index is log base 3x, base is 2 to the power 0, which is equal to 1. So log base 3x is equal to 1. So x can be written as 3 to the power 1. So x is equal to 3. Now you can understand how the logarithm moves, how we can break into the exponential form, index equals to base to the power exponent, so that we can find out the value of x. Now we are moving to next question. Find x if log base 5, log base 3, log base 2x equals to 0. So same thing, you can see that this is going to be index. So log base 3, log base 2x equals to 5 to the power 0, which is equal to 1. Similarly, you can see that this is going to be index. So log base 2x equals to 3 to the power 1, which is equal to 3. So again log base 2x equals to 3. So x equals to 2 to the power 3. So x is equal to 8. So you can see the flow, how the equation moves. Right? Let me rub it. Now we are moving to next question. If log a 1 plus log b 1 plus log c 1 plus log dx equals to 0, then find x. Now you can see the whole thing is going to be index. It's going to be index. So 1 plus log base b, 1 plus log c, 1 plus log dx equals to e to the power 0, which is equal to 1. So 1 and 1 gets cancelled. Once again b, 1 plus log c, 1 plus log dx is equal to 0. Again this is going to be index. So 1 plus log c, 1 plus log dx is equal to b to the power 0, which is equal to 1. Again 1 gets cancelled. Log c 1 plus log dx equals to 0. This is again index. So 1 plus log dx equals to c to the power 0, which is 1. 1 1 get cancelled. Log dx equals to 0. So x is again d to the power 0. So x is equal to 1. This is our final answer. Now you can see how the equation moves, Now we are moving to the next question. If log base 7, log base 5, root x plus 5 plus root x equals to 0, find x. So you can see that this whole thing is going to be the index. So log base 5 root x plus 5 plus root x equals to 7 to the power 0, which is equal to 1. So log base 5 is square root of x plus 5 plus root x is equal to 1. Similarly, root x plus 5 plus root x can be written as 5 to the power 1, which is equal to 5. Now we are moving one of the square root to other side. Now squaring. X plus 5, 25 plus x minus 10 root x. X gets cancelled. This is 5 minus 25 minus 10 root x. So minus 20 equals to minus 10 root x. 0, 0 cancelled, minus minus gets cancelled. So root x is equal to 2. So x is equal to 4. This is the answer. So I think you can understand how the equation is flowing out. Now we are moving to next question. Log base 10, 98 plus x cube minus x square minus 12x plus 36 is equal to 2. Find x. So we can just break it like this: x cube minus x square minus 12x plus 36. This is whole under this 10 to the power 2, which is equal to 100. So x cube minus x square minus 12x plus 36 equals to 100 minus 98, which is equal to 2. We are doing the squaring of it. Or x cube minus x square minus 12x plus 32 equals 0. Now we have to solve it for the value of x. Now we can see what is the value of x. We are putting x equals to say power minus 4 here. So what we are getting it? Minus 64 or minus 16 or plus 48 plus 32. So we can see that it is satisfying. It means this is one of the root. So we can just factorize it. X cube plus 4x square minus 5x square minus 20x plus 8x plus 32. I'm just adjusting such that x plus 4 comes out of it. So x square x plus 4 minus 5x x plus 4 plus 8, we are taking common, x plus 4 equals to 0. So x plus 4 x square minus 5x plus 8 equals to 0. So we can see that x plus 4 equals to 0, x is equal to minus 4, and x square minus 5x plus 8 equals to 0. If you find out the value of d, you can see that 25 minus 32 is less than 0. So it has imaginary roots. So only this is the answer. So x is going to be minus 4. Here, you know, this is a cubic equation. In that case of cubic equation, we do it only by hit and trial method. That is why I put x is equal to minus 4. As you know that in case of this, the possible factors of 32 will be one of the solution. So this is the only method to find out the factor of the cubic equation. We don't have a definite ways of finding it. Now we are moving to next question. Prove that log base 27 is a irrational number. So first what we do, we just assume it as a rational number. Let log base 2 7 is equal to p upon q, where p, q are integers. So you can see that 7 is equal to 2 to the power p upon q. We are doing this into q. Q gets cancelled. 7 to the power q is equal to 2 to the power p. You know 7 is an odd number, while 2 is even number. So power of any odd number is always odd, even power of any even number is always even. So odd number can never be equal to a even number. That is why it is not a rational number, it is a irrational number. So this is the ways to find out whether this number is rational number or irrational number. Right? Now we are moving to the properties of the logarithm. What are the properties of the logarithm? Properties of logarithm. First property is log x1, x2, x3 up to xn. This is equal to log x1, log x2, log x3, likewise log xn. Second, log a upon. Here you can see that we have left over the base of the logarithm. So whatever base you want, you can put throughout all the logarithm. The same base will be applied to all the logarithm. Here also we are not mentioning a base. You can use it suitably as per the question. So this is equivalent to log a minus log b. Third case, log x to the power n is equal to n log of x if n is odd integer. And this is n log of modulus of n if n is even. N is even number. Fourth case, log base anything 1 is equal to 0. Log base and index same, then it is equal to 1. We can change the base of the logarithm by using this. Log AB can be written as log B upon log A. The seventh property is log base AB can be inverted like this. In this case, the index becomes base and base becomes the index. So as and when required, we can change it. Here also we can change the base whenever required. 8. Log base a to the power m, b to the power n is equal to n upon n log base ab. A to the power log base ab, this is equal to b. Now the last property is f to the power log base ag is equivalent to g to the power log base f. So these are the 10 properties of the logarithm, and on this properties only the whole logarithm moves. So you must understand all the 10 properties and should be able to learn. It should be on your tips. Otherwise you will not be able to solve it until and unless you know all the formula. Now we are going to solve some questions. I'm going to rub it. Find value of log tan 1d, log tan 2d, log tan 3d. Likewise, log tan 89 degree. So you can see that log tan 1 degree plus log tan 2 degree plus log tan 3 degree, it is going up to log tan 89 degree. So as per the first property, we can see that log tan 1 degree into tan 2 degree into tan 3 degree. Likewise, tan 45 degree, tan 46 degree. Likewise, tan 89 degree, tan 88 degree, tan 87 degree. So you can see that tan 89 degree and tan 1 degree gets cancelled because tan 90 minus 1 will become cot 1. So cot 1 and tan 1 will get cancelled. Similarly, tan 88 will get cancelled like this. Tan 81 will get cancelled by this. So lastly, this will remain only. So log of tan 45 degree. So log tan 45 degree is 1 and log of 1 is of any case is equal to 0. So value of this expression is equal to 0. Right? So now we are going to next question. If a square plus b square equals to 23ab, then prove that log a plus b upon 5 is equal to half of log a plus log b. Now you see a square plus b square equals to 23ab. So we are adding both sides 2ab, 23ab plus 2ab. So this is a plus b whole square equals to 25ab. So we can write a plus b upon 5 whole square equals to ab. So a plus b upon 5 equals to square root of ab. We are taking log both sides. 5 log square root of ab. So which is further we can write log a plus b upon 5. So half of log ab. Now we can use the property a plus b upon 5. This is half of log a plus log b. So you can see how the properties are being used to solve such type of problems. I hope you are understanding it. Now we're going to the next problem. Prove that log base ba into log cb into log ac equals to 1. Then how to prove it? Now we can see that we can change the base. We are taking left hand side, log base ba, log base cb, log base ac. So this is a log a upon log b. We are changing the base, log c into log c upon log a. So log a gets cancelled, log a gets cancelled, and log c gets cancelled. So answer is going to be 1. So only changing the base of the logarithm, we can easily solve this kind of question. Okay, we are moving to the next question. Prove that log base 3, log base 2, log root 5, 625 equals to 1. Then how to prove it? So we are starting from here. We are taking left hand side, log base 3, log base 2, log root 5, and this we can see that this is p to the power 4. So log 3, log 2, log root 5, and this is root 5 whole to the power 8. So as per the property, we can write down log 3, log 2, 8 times log root 5 and root 5. So we can see that index and base is same. The value will be equal to 1. Log base 2 8. Further we can write log 3 log 2 to the power 3. So log base 3 times of log base 2, and this will be again 1. So log 3 and this is again going to be 1 because base and index both are same. Base and index are both are same. Now we are moving to the next question. I think you are getting it. We are using the properties of the logarithm only. So once you have all the properties on your tips, you are able to solve these questions. Find value of 2 to the power log base 3 5 minus 5 log base 3. Now you see the property f to the power log base ag is equal to g to the power log base a. If you use this property, then you can immediately find out the solution. We can change it 2 to the power log base 3 5. So both ways cancel, answer is 0. So using the properties you can solve very easily these questions. So we are moving to the next question. If log x upon y minus z equals to log y upon z minus x, log z upon x minus y, then prove that x to the power x into y to the power y into z to the power z equals to 1. Now you see, in this case we used to take let this is equal to k. So we can say that log x is equal to k times y minus z. Log y is equal to k times z minus x, and log z is equal to k times x minus y. Now let p is equal to x to the power x, y to the power y, z to the power z. Take log both sides. X to the power x into y to the power y into z to the power z. So we can write that log p is equal to x log x plus y log y plus z log z. Now log p is x. Put value log x log y log z from here. So this is a k times y minus z, y into k times z minus x plus z into k times x minus y. So you see that log p is equal to, we are taking k out, xy minus xz, yz minus xy, zx minus yz. So you can see that xy gets cancelled, yz gets cancelled, and zx gets cancelled. So log p is equal to 0. Let any base p a. So a to the power 0, which is equal to 1. So p is going to be equal to 1, which is the right hand side. So you can see that how we are able to solve this kind of questions. Okay, we are going to rub it. Prove that log 83 lies in between 1 by 3, 1 by 4. How to prove it? Let x equals to log 83. So we can write x equals to 1 upon log base 380. So So you can see that log base 380 is equal to 1 by x. We know that log 380 is less than log 381, but it is greater than log 327. So you can see that log 380 is less than log 3 to the power 4, and it is greater than log 3 to the power 3. So you can see that log base 380 is less than 4 and greater than 3. So we are just reciprocating it. 80 will be 1 by 4 to 1 by. So x lies in between 1 by 3 to 1 by 4. In this way we can find out the interval in which value of this logarithm will be. Yeah. So in this video we are going to stop this, and rest of the part, say for linear inequality and exponential inequality and IDZ related problems, that we'll discuss in my next video. So keep watching, refer my video, subscribe my video and view my video. Thank you.